Hello everyone. Look at this another easiest 4-mark question from Re-NEET 2026 Physics. The question is an AC voltage V is equal to 200 sine 2 into 10 raised to 3 into T volt is applied to LCR circuit, then the current is. Okay. So we know that V is equal to V naught sine omega t. This is our standard equation for voltage. So from here if we compare this equation, V is equal to 220 sine 2 into 10 raised to 3 into T. So V naught, the value of V naught, which is nothing but 220 watt, and from here omega is nothing but 2 into 10 raised to 3. We have to find out the current, so let's find out the XC and XL first, resistance net. So X is nothing but 1 upon omega C. So 1 upon omega, which is 2 into 10 raised to 3 into C. So the value of C is given 25 microfarad. So if you multiply here, 25 micro means 10 to the power minus 6. So 1 upon 2 into 25, which is 50, into 10 to the power 3 and here minus 6. So 3 minus 6, which is minus 3. So if we take this 10 to the power minus 3 in the numerator, it will become 10 raised to 3 upon 50. Okay. So 10 raised to 3 means 1000. So 1000 upon 50. So if we cancel out this, 520 is 100. So the value of X is nothing but 20 ohm. Similarly, we'll find out XL. The formula of XL is omega L. So omega, which is 2 into 10 raised to 3 into L, inductor value that is given 10 millihenry. So 10 multiplied by milli means 10 to the power minus 3. So 10 to the power 3 and 10 raised to minus 3 will get cancelled. So 2 into 10, which is 20. So the value of XL is also 20. So XL and XC both are equal. That means this is nothing but the resonance here. So at resonance we know that Z is same as R, and R is given to be 100 ohm. So directly we'll apply the formula to find out current. I is equal to V by R. So our voltage is 220 upon resistance is 100 is equal to, so if you cancel out this, 22 by 10, which is 2.2 ampere. So our correct answer for this question is 2.2 ampere. Thank you.